Ever heard of a cake made primarily with ingredients that are typically consumed by carnivores? Well, brace yourself for a culinary adventure as we delve into the recipe of a carnivore cake. This unique concoction is a savory twist on the traditional sweet treat, crafted with ingredients such as ground meat, eggs, and heavy cream. To start off, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, or 175 degrees Celsius. As the oven warms, grab a large mixing bowl. Here, combine a pound of ground meat. This could be beef, pork, or a combination of both. Now, add 4 large eggs and a quarter cup of heavy cream to the meat. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Mix all these ingredients well until they are thoroughly combined. If you fancy a cheesy twist, throw in half a cup of grated cheese and mix until it's evenly distributed throughout the batter. Now that the mixture is ready, it's time to prepare the cake pan. Grease it or line it with parchment paper to prevent the cake from sticking. Pour the meat mixture into the prepared cake pan, spreading it out evenly to ensure a uniform bake. With the cake ready for baking, place it in the preheated oven. Let it bake for 30 to 40 minutes, or until the meat is cooked through and the top turns a lovely shade of golden brown. Once baked to perfection, remove the cake from the oven and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. The result is a deliciously unique carnivore cake that's sure to impress and satisfy with its hearty flavors. This carnivore cake can be served as a main dish, alongside some fresh vegetables or a crisp salad. It's a fantastic option for those following a carnivore diet or anyone looking to try something a bit different. So go ahead and give this carnivore cake a try. You might just find it's your new favorite way to enjoy meat. To summarize, this carnivore cake offers a unique spin on traditional cakes, using ingredients typically consumed by meat lovers. It's not just a novel culinary experience, but also a great way to pack in protein. So why not take a break from the ordinary and try this carnivore cake? It's a savory delight that's sure to impress.